Today I will be giving away a Ring Video Doorbell Pro, and I will also be showing you how to replace this Ring Video Doorbell 1 with this Ring Video Doorbell 2. And I will give you the details on how to enter the drawing for this later on in the video. So I've had this since November of 2018. I really do love it, and it shows me 3-second previews before people walk up. So that's very handy to see who's ringing my doorbell.
No, I'm not who you're expecting. Your driver got arrested for the ticket. So I figured I'd complete the DoorDash for you.
And especially if it's just like an Amazon delivery person just dropping it off, it's nice to know that it's just a delivery and I can go out there and open the door and know that it's not an axe murderer.
Shreveport, Louisiana. This is a big snake. Looks like a python or something.
The first thing you need to do is download the Ring app. It's the one that says Ring Always Home. So let's go ahead and open that app. And Ring would like to send you notifications. Yes, you definitely want the notifications because that tells you when someone is at your door. It also tells you if someone rings your doorbell. So let's go ahead and create an account. My name is Cynthia. Continue. Country, United States. Continue. My email address. Let's create your password and create account. Account created. Okay, let's link your Amazon and Ring accounts. You can also choose to enable the Ring skill, so you can hear Ring alerts and answer the door through Alexa devices. I use this religiously, especially on my Echo Show. The reason why is because I need to know who is at my front door. And let's say my phone is upstairs and I'm downstairs, or opposite. If I have my Echo Show, I can say, Alexa, show front door camera. And then she will show me who is at the front door on my Echo Show. You can always do it on your phone. You're going to get an alert on your phone and you just click it and then you can see who's at your front door. I use this constantly, my whole family uses it, and it's very important that we do not just open the door to strangers.
Hello. Hi. What's the staring for me? Goodbye, Q.
Am I right? Yeah, I'm right.
You're right. Fine. Okay.
Okay, so over here, once you link the Ring account to your Amazon account, anyone who has access to that Amazon account may access your Ring devices and videos on compatible devices. If you're worried about people tapping into your Ring, I would say definitely when you pick your passwords for Ring and for Amazon, do not choose password.
I shall input my password. It is, my name is O and Captain Speck is great, and anyone who does not think that is a poop. What?
Wonder why no one guessed that.
I do not know.
Please enter the password for your Ring account. Please verify your Ring account. In the next step, you'll enter the email and password for the Amazon account you want to link. Okay, so first we have to put in the Ring account password that we just did just a few seconds ago. Okay, and verify and continue. And here we go to the next screen, and it's asking us for our Amazon email and password. Hey, okay, yeah, yes, you definitely want to say the password on your phone. Success, accounts linked. So now I will be able to connect my Ring Video Doorbell, which is going on the front of my house, and then it will chime on this. This is the Echo Show 5. And I will show you in a later video on how to install that, and you can see who is at your front door on your Echo Show 5 or on your app, or both. For your security, let's set up 2-step verification. Yeah, I do recommend this, especially since this is a security system, right? So we want to make sure our passwords are unique and that nobody can guess them. Don't make them your children's birthdays, please. Those are easy to guess. Don't make it easy to guess.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your phone number? It is 2-step verification via SMS has been enabled. Now let's set up a location. This doorbell will be installed here, but I can be anywhere in the world, hopefully the Bahamas.
Good luck with that.
As long as I have a Wi-Fi service or cell service on this phone and the Ring app is working, then I can see who is at my front door. There are so many features that you can do remotely with this because we're eventually going to set up the alarm system. All of this will be in future videos. So I will make a Ring playlist of all of these videos that I'm doing in order, and I will put them into a playlist called Love and Data Ring Videos. So be sure you subscribe to the Love and Data channel and you will be notified every time one of these new videos gets dropped. First, let's set up your location. What type of location is it? A home. What's your address? It pops up with a map and your little house is right there. Click use this address. Please name this location. Love and Data House. Done. Welcome to Ring. Actually, that's something I really do like about the Ring app is it collates data from your neighborhood or I guess your perimeter, and it sends you a weekly report of crime. Let's set up a Ring device, a doorbell. This is everything that's in the box. So this is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Now it comes with the doorbell itself, a wedge bracket so that you can turn the face out or in, whichever way you need to turn this so it gets a really good view of who's coming up to your front door. A star screwdriver, that's for the security screw. It comes with a Pro Power Kit V3, and this is to make sure that your existing doorbell has enough power. 4 little baggies. Scan the QR code on your Ring device. If it has a removable faceplate, you'll find the code by removing the faceplate from your Ring Video Doorbell. So this one already has a silver faceplate on it, so let's just take that off and just kind of pop it out. It will just kind of pop out like that. Boom, there's the QR code. Okay, I'm ready to scan. There we go. Where would you like to set up your Ring doorbell? Give your Ring doorbell a name. Front door, it says remove the protective film. Has your Ring doorbell been installed? No, I need to install it. Do you have an existing wired doorbell? Yes, I do. I actually have the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, the first one. I have a wired doorbell. Let's find your doorbell chime. Ring your doorbell and follow the sound. If it rings, we know your doorbell system is working.
You are currently being recorded.
This is the existing one that I am giving away. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro. I bought it in 2018, as you can kind of tell here, but it still works perfectly. Your chime may be mounted high up on a wall. Make a mental note of its location. We will return to it soon. If we look up here, this is the chime. Okay, so I found my chime. What type of bell does your existing doorbell have? That was the chime, so that sounded mechanical. Before you continue, turn off your power at the breaker. Remove the cover from your doorbell chime. Hooray! Warning. Okay, I acknowledge this warning. Loosen the front. Okay, so I've already done this. Insert video here. And this one came with the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, the first one. Actually, the one that I'm giving away. So I need to take this off. And this is what it, oh no. I've got Star and Phillips. I need flathead.
This is a flathead screwdriver.
So if you look here, this one says rear, this one says trans for transformer, this one says front, which has nothing connected to it. So I'm going to loosen these two. Yeah, they come off quite easily. Connect the Pro Power Kit. So that was the Ring Pro Power Kit V2. Since we're upgrading to the Pro 2, we're using the Ring Pro Power Kit V3. Sure sounds mechanical to me. Okay, continue. Position the Pro Power Kit and replace the cover. Okay. And then we take off this, looks like a little square 3M sticker right there. Just take that off. We want to put it away from everything else and press it down and hold it for about 10 seconds to make sure it sticks. Did you install the included Pro Power Kit? Yes. Uninstall your doorbell button. Feel free to put the doorbell button in that drawer of stuff you never use. Haha. Very funny. Now, since that is a Ring Video Doorbell Pro 1, we are going to use the screwdriver from the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 1 box, and I'm going to unscrew it. Easy peasy, hold on to that screw. And then you take off the faceplate, like so. This is the one to take off the locking screw at the bottom. Then you take this out, turn it around, and you got a Phillips head to take the doorbell off. So let's go ahead and pull it out. So you can see the two wires right there. So we're just gonna go ahead and unscrew them just to get these wires loose. This is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 1 that I will be giving away. Caution, if you use the wrong screw
That's what she said.
to secure the faceplate, you could damage this device during installation, cause a fire hazard, and be seriously injured.
Well, damn.
Consider installing a corner kit behind your ring. Okay, so this is already installed, but we can go ahead and just see what it says. Mark the screw holes, okay? Are you installing on a soft surface like wood or siding, or a hard surface like brick? Hard.
That's what she said.
Screw in your corner kit. Prepare your doorbell wires. Connect the wires. Make sure the wires are not touching. Mount your Ring doorbell to the corner kit.
Finally, about damn time.
So here's the new doorbell. And I just need to loosen these two screws so we can put the wires behind them. We need to take the faceplate off, and then we need the two short mounting screws. If you're wondering, it is C. That is very secure. Install the faceplate. Once you're done, use the included screwdriver to install the included security screw. Okay, we will be using the security screw in baggie B. Little baby screws. This is the security screwdriver. So next you put the faceplate on, and you're gonna screw the security screw right under there, so it's not so easy to rip off the wall.
And then, but he steals someone's Ring doorbell and runs off. Hey, buddy, that's my Ring doorbell.
Restore power at the breaker. Let's just go look and see if the light is turning on or not.
Welcome to Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell.
Oh,
Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
she's talking. Next, grab your Wi-Fi password. Continue. Ring would like to use Bluetooth. Fine. Please turn on location access for the Ring app. Continue. Allow once. Get closer to your Ring doorbell. I am near the device. It says wait for the Ring doorbell to enter setup mode. When the light on the front starts spinning white, continue to the next step. Hardly any clouds in the sky, and it's super, super bright. It actually is spinning white, but it's really, really hard to see. Light is spinning white. Connect to your Ring doorbell. Okay, when prompted, connect to the Ring Wi-Fi network. Okay, got it. Join. Connecting to your Ring doorbell. Ring would like to find and connect to devices on your local network. Yes, allow.
Ring doorbell is connected to the Ring app.
Select the Wi-Fi network your Ring doorbell should use.
Ring doorbell is connecting to the internet. Just a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Ha! Connecting Ring doorbell.
Your Ring doorbell is ready to go. With Ring, you're always home.
Your Ring doorbell is now, yes, I'm at the front door. Thank you. Your Ring doorbell is now set up and ready to protect you. Final steps, just a few steps left to get the best from your Ring device. Follow along. There is a person at your front door. Continue. Invite shared users. Skip for now. Let's make motion work for you. Optimize motion. What motion matters to you?
The Ring doorbell is installing an update.
Oh.
When the light stops flashing, it's ready to use.
Adjust feature. Smart alerts. For each type of motion event, you can get alerts, recordings, both or neither. Adjust the slider to adjust detection sensitivity. Continue. Motion zones give you control. Setup feature. Oh, that's me. Hi. Default zone. Okay, so I want to edit this about like that because I want to see people walking up to the front door. Okay, done. And continue. Motion settings saved. It says Ring Protect Plan, 30 days left. Tap here to save your video recordings. Okay. Your Ring Protect trial is about to expire. To record and review future videos, subscribe to Ring Protect. Activate your plan to unlock these features: video recording, share and save videos. This is important, like if police need to check neighbors' Ring cameras. If you don't have this plan, then you're not going to be able to look over what happened in the past. Or if someone tried to break in, you wouldn't have a video saved of their face. And I will be setting up more of these devices down here, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. I love these screenshots it's taking me. Let's go ahead and press the doorbell. Oh, that's loud. Someone's at your front door, press and hold. Someone is at your front door. Oh, wow, I have a very big thumb. Hello? Hey, it's real time. So this is live view. So, hello, welcome to my home. And there's the bird's eye view up there. Thanks so much for watching. Just as a reminder, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment on why you would like my old Ring Video Doorbell Pro #1, and I will send it to you. But you have to be in the United States, and I'll make the selection next week. I'd like to give a big ol' shout out to Doorbell News, the YouTube channel where a lot of the clips in this video came from. I'll leave the link in the description.